And in the game count it, what were we doing? What were we using, Xander?
We were using those little 10 things and how many 10 things we had to do our ones then.
Alright, so you were using your base 10 rods, and then what was left over we used as our what?
Ones.
Alright, yesterday I had it made for you, and it was just like this.
What are we doing?
I had the base 10s already together. Alright, how many 10s did you see right here? One. Alright, now let's see if I have enough to make 10 more. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Do I have enough to make 10?
No.
No. So since I don't have enough to make 10, those are going to be my what? My ones. Alright, and so on our sheet that we used yesterday, how many sets of ones do I have?
One.
So right here, I would have put a 1 beside that 10. Let me move it up just a tad so you can see it. Well, I'll do it right here. Alright, you see where I put my 1? Alright, now let's count my ones. 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have how many ones? 9. And if I have 1 10 and 1 9, what number does that make? 19. So over here on the side, you had to write the number 19. Now yesterday it was a little easier because I already had your base 10s together. Today, in your little bags, I don't. So you're going to have to make as many base 10 rods as you can. Make 10. Yeah, that's the only way you can do this. Then count and see if you have enough to make 10 more. Then count and see if you have enough to make 10 more. If you don't have enough to make another 10, then you know those are going to be your what? Your ones. And if I was you and your partner, I want to hear you doing that mouth talk and counting together. Because you may count 9, your partner may count 10. So you need to go back and make sure when you make that base 10 rod that you have 10 there. Alright? Now, I'm going to go around and put these bags at the end of the table. Remember, we have 2 partners here, 2 partners here. But the numbers are going to be the same. However many I have in that bag is in this bag. And this is station what? 1. So you know on your paper that you have to write it by station 1. I've got the bags numbered, and that's where you write your answer. This bag has a 2 on it. Now, some stations may take a little longer than the other stations. So yesterday when you were finished with your station, what were you supposed to do? Well, we're not going to scoot yet. We have to wait till all stations are finished before we scoot. When you and your partner have finished, you put everything back in the bag and you just wait quietly. And when I see everything back in the bags, I'll know that all stations are finished. And then I'll say 1, 2, 3, what? Scoot. You can't scoot until I tell you to. Alright? So, take one paper, pass it down. You and your partner using some mouth talk. Open up your bags. Don't dump them out real loud or they'll go flying everywhere. Be careful. Alright, and see how many base 10 rods you can make. And then whatever's left over is your ones. Go ahead and get started. Alright, keep them separated here. Here, you do it together. Do it together. Hold on. No. Here's what I want you to do first. I want you to make one base 10 together. Okay?
We already have fun.
Alright, so y'all count as she goes up. Count.
No, we made 10, okay? Wait, let's count. 1, 5, 6. No, let's do this. Like taking the bar, okay? 10, 1, 2, 10. Okay, now we just need to put them together. That's why I hate when we do that. Take them apart. So we know that 5 plus 5 is 10.
Alright, now Jada, look, you think you have enough to make another 10?
No, count. 1, 2,
Alright, before you go on, I want you to, I go back and make sure that you
that's
want to make sure you have 10.
We get to make how many we want.
Come up here.
We get to make how many we want. I want to make one more 10 base. That's 10. I want to make one more 10. Let's make one more 10 base. That's 10. That's 20. Stop, Casey. 2.
Now, what do you think you're going to do that? Talk to her. Talk. What you going to do? Do you think you have enough to make some more? Alright, so then you're going to get what? See how you got it. Alright, let's count right here. Hold on.
Yeah, we can make one more 10. Yeah, let's count. The things. Oh, 1, 2. That might make 10.
I'll hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I ain't gonna do it anymore after this.
Alright, we don't have to spread it out. Just fast so I can tell when one starts and one stops. Okay? Now, when you're done that, you can go full stop. Hold on. How should you be making those? I want to see them lined up. You hear me? I don't want them like that. I want you to line up. Like a base 10
Or no? 20. So, 10. No, we have 11. 10, 11, 12. We have 12.